Dakal kaya katamong Kapampangan ni mahilig mumunta king Baguio City patya long weekend ang pang-holiday season. Pauli na nimpanga gawa dareng expressways at ing availability dareng premium point-to-point buses, sagli namang miras kang summer capital of the Philippines. Bukod kang maramlang klima, metong muna man ka rin mumuna tamong paintonan kang Baguio ing fresh sa pamangan. Kabalen! Worry no more, uling ating kaming a-discover asiguradong aburyan yu. Happy nining Gypsy Baguio by Chef Waya ang Point Taguan Cafe at Chu King Quezon Hill Road 2, City of Pines.
The food we serve in Gypsy Baguio is travel memories on a plate. So, yung matagal akong umikot sa Southeast Asia dahil sa mga dati kong trabaho. So, we have a lot of Indonesian foods. For example, we have the beef rendang. We have a lot of stuff from Malaysia and Singapore, yung seafood laksa and our salted egg pork belly are best sellers. So, when you come here, you don't just come to Baguio, right? So you do a tour of, your palate does a tour of different places.
Banwan 2020 yan yung ibuklat dereng mikaluguran na rin Chef Waya Arajos Wiangco, ang pang Jose Margo Flores in Gypsy Baguio by Chef Waya at Taguan Cafe. Dati na yung ating restaurant kay Metro Manila is Chef Waya. Dapo tagpang kaya? Lakwas ka nung menyaman ning kayong recipe at luto ngening miras la Baguio, uli dareng fresh ingredients.
So here in Baguio, exciting when we moved to Baguio kasi we had an opportunity to be closer to the produce. So we made an effort to meet with farmers, to make sure that we get our produce direct from farms and to support local farms as well.
Ing kabalentamong i-attorney Noel Canlas, panalukyan niya kaning restaurant ng Chef Waya, maski na pa, nuka rin niya, miras.
Malamining kakilalay Waya. So, atin niya pang restaurant king Maginhawa. Mumunta na kami kitang restaurant na Maginhawa until pre-pandemic na nga baluming mamukulat siya Kenny. So, in-invite na kami. Punta kami Kenny. So, maging regular na kami Kenny. Uling madalas na kami mambali. Why? Kasi aliwa naman kitang ordinaryong pamangan na kakanan mo king aliwa restaurant. So, sumunta ka talaga Kenny, para kitang aliwang pamangan. Aliwa itang usual na reserve na karing restaurants.
Anya naman kabalen? Aling nakapaitaw li at subok na ning manyaman at fresh sa pamangan king Gypsy Baguio by Chef Waya. Kaya rin mong mengan, malyari ka rin magkape ken Taguan Cafe for that complete Baguio City experience.
Mga kabalen sa Pampanga, sobrang lapit na ng Baguio. 1.5 hours lang from Angeles, nandito ka na. So I hope we see you here, di ba? Pakainin namin kayo ng masarap. Alam ko masarap ang pagkain nyo dyan. Bumababa rin ako sa Pampanga. Pero try nyo rin yung kumain ng masarap na gulay dito sa Baguio. See you!
Kaya by JM De Jesus, ako po yung kaya kayong talasuyo, Arlen Salonga, ating pusong makabalen.